He says that a sister of hers died, and there is this concept of, and this is taken from movies mainly, that they're watching over us. Your mom is going to be proud of what you're doing. Your father is guarding you, etc. All of this is nonsense, and believing in it can be sort of shirk. When you think that your father's soul is guarding you and protecting you, this is shirk. Only Allah Azza wa Jal guards you, subhanahu wa ta'ala. As for the concept of the dead knowing what is happening on earth, it's an issue of dispute. Some scholars say yes, but the most authentic opinion is definitely no. Why? Because it was the Prophet himself, alayhi salatu wasalam, who said that I'll be the first one to reach the pool where people come and drink from. And there will come people from my followers to drink from it, but the angels stop them and prevent them from doing so. So I would cry and say, oh my Lord, my ummah, my followers, my nation. And I will be told, you, Muhammad, do not know what they had done after you. And this is the punchline. You do not know. Which means that the Prophet ﷺ does not know what is happening at the moment on earth. He's not watching what's happening on earth. And by the way, this is not only an authentic hadith, this is a mutawatir hadith. This is the highest level of authenticity. So the Qur'an is mutawatir, and there are a handful of hadiths that are also mutawatir that no one doubts about them. And one of them is the hadith of the pool, or al-hawt. So the Prophet doesn't know. And this refutes those who say that the Prophet is hazir, nazir, and he controls the universe as he controls the palm of his hand, etc. All of this nonsense. Not true. Blatant lies. But people are taught this in their masjids, in their institutions, in their colleges. And this is why they grow up on such corrupt aqeedah. So the dead don't know what's happening. They do not see what is happening. And hence, such a feeling would be more negative than motivational. And people are supposed to abide by the Qur'an and Sunnah and do not accept such thoughts.